Hello designers! Welcome to another fresh tutorial on Kavu Creative. Today, we are making this cool isometric star. The technique is super simple. So without wasting time, let's get into it. Start by double-clicking the Artboard tool. Inside the options, look at the Display section. Select Show Center Mark. Now press OK. Turn off the fill color. We just need the stroke. Select the rectangular grid tool from the toolbar. Hold the Alt key and click on the center mark. Set the width and height to 350 pixels. Set the horizontal and vertical dividers to 17. Then press OK. Select the pen tool by pressing P on your keyboard. Now, carefully follow the grid lines to create the shape. Take your time and connect the points perfectly. Hold Ctrl and click anywhere to release the path. Select everything. Select the Shape Builder tool. Swap the stroke to fill. This helps us combine the parts easily. Move the mouse over the shapes. The plus sign means you are adding shapes. Hold the Alt key to switch to delete mode. Right-click and choose Ungroup. Select everything again. Now, hold the Shift key and carefully click on the design parts you want to keep. Now press Delete to remove the extra lines. Select all objects. Apply the base color using the eyedropper tool. Now, hold the Control key to temporarily switch to the Selection tool. Select the entire design. Select the Rotate tool. Hold Alt and click on the center point. Set the angle to 90 degrees. Click Copy. Press Ctrl D 2 times to complete the design. Select the entire design. From the Object menu, select Expand. Make sure Fill and Stroke are checked. Click OK. Open Pathfinder and choose Divide. Select the Magic Wand tool. Click on the white outline. Hit Delete to remove it. Done. Your isometric star design is ready to use. Make sure to save your work. Hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more tricks like this. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.